Let's walk through the IRS Deductions calculator. It shows how much your annual expenses cut from the tax you owe, the so-called deductions from the coleta. We'll use a single taxpayer in this example. First, your taxable income for the year. Let's enter 20,000 euros. Then your number of dependents. We'll leave it at 0 for this example. Next, your general invoices, the everyday receipts with your tax number. Let's put 2,000 euros. Now, your health expenses for the year. We'll enter 3,000 euros. Then your education expenses. Let's add 2,000 euros. Care home costs, which we'll leave at 0 here. And finally, any court-ordered alimony, also 0 in this example. Instantly, the calculator shows your total deduction from the coleta, the amount subtracted directly from the tax you owe. The table below breaks each category down by its rate and cap and applies the global ceiling so you can see exactly how the total is built. That's it. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.